in Water Supply Engineering, Unit 5, Model 2, Water Distribution and Networks. In this Model 2, we can discuss network design, analysis of distribution network, presented by Sumati APCE, GCE, Tanjavur. Network design. A properly designed water distribution system should fulfill the following requirements. Main requirements. It should satisfy quality and quantity standards. Additional requirements are to enable reliable operation during irregular situations, that is power failure, fire, etc. To be economically and financially viable, ensuring income for operation, maintenance and extension. To be flexible with respect to the future extensions. Network analysis. Pipe network analysis of water distribution system includes determining quantities of flow and head losses in the various pipelines and resulting residual pressure. In any pipe network, the following two conditions must be satisfied. Number 1, the algebraic sum of pressure drop around a closed loop must be 0, that is, there can be no discontinuity in pressure. Next point, the flow entering a junction must be equal to the flow leaving that junction, that is, the law of continuity must be satisfied. Based on these two principles, the pipe networks are generally solved by the methods of successive appropriations. The widely used methods of pipe network analysis is the Hardy-Cross method. Now see the method, Hardy-Cross method. This method consists of assuming a distribution of flow in the network in such a way that the principles of continuity is satisfied at each junction. A correction to this assumed flow is then computed successfully for each pipe loop in the network until the correction is reduced to an acceptable magnitude. If QA is the assumed flow, Q is the actual flow in the pipeline, then the correction D is given by small d is equal to Q minus QA, or Q is equal to QA plus T, that is actual flow equal to assumed flow plus correction. Now the expression, the head loss H suffix L as taken as mathematically HL equal to K into Q power X. We have the head loss in a pipe equal to K into, for Q we can substitute QA plus D into whole power X. K equal to QAX plus X into A into X minus 1 into D plus etc. to negligible terms. Then equal to K equal to QA power X plus X into QA X minus 1 into D. Remaining terms are very less value, they are negligible. Now around a closed loop, the summation of head loss must be 0. Sk into Q power A power X plus X into QA X power minus 1 into D equal to 0, or multiplying the factors into S into Q into the Q value S into K into Q power X equal to minus S into K into Q power X minus 1 into D. Since D is same for all the pipes of the considered loop, it can be taken out of the summation. Then simplifying this equation, D equal to S into K into Q power X divided by S into L into X into K Q power X minus 1. Or another modification formula, D is equal to S into HL divided by X into S into L into HL divided by QA modular form, where HL is the head loss for assumed flow QA. The numerator in the above equation is the algebraic sum of the head losses in the various pipes of the closed loop computed with assumed flow. Since the direction and the magnitude of flow in these pipe is already assumed, their respective head losses with due regard to sign can be easily calculated after assuming their diameter. The absolute sum of respective k into q a power x minus 1 or HL divided by QA is then calculated. Finally, the value of D is found out for each loop and the assumed flows are corrected. Repeated adjustments are made until the desired accuracy is obtained. The value of X in Hardy-Cross method is assumed to be constant, that is 1.85 for Hazen-Williams formula and 2 for Darcy's Weisbach formula. So that's about the derivation for pipe distribution network. Now we can solve one problem in flow in pipes of distribution network by Hardy-Cross method. Problem: calculate the head losses and the corrected flows in the various pipes of a distribution network as shown in figure. The diameter and the length of the pipes used are given against each pipe. Compute corrected flows after 1 corrections. So the flow diagram is given for each and every pipe. Diameter is given, length is given, the quantity of discharge will also given. Then go for solution. First of all, the magnitude as well as the direction of the possible flows in each pipe are assumed, keeping in consideration the law of continuity at each junction. The two closed loops A, B, C, D and C, D, E, F are then analyzed by Hardy-Cross method as per tables 1 and 2 respectively, and the corrected flows are computed. Consider the loop A, B, C, D. For the loop we can make one table, make a column. One pipe is in the first column, second column assumed flow taken. So the assumed flow is given in given problem, it is given in liter per second, converted into Qmax. 1 Qmax equal to 1 meter cube per second. Next column, diameter of the pipe, dia given in meter, then taken as d power 4.87 for calculation purpose. Then taken the length of the pipe in meter, then find out the coefficient k equal to L divided by 470 into d power 4.87. Then QA equal to whole power 1.85, head loss equal to k into q into 1.87. Then find out the modular form of KL by QA. Then taken the first loop, this one in the figure does not given the name, you choose an A, B, C, D. In the first pipe in the problem it is given as 43, so it's wrongly mentioned as 45. So for calculation I am taken 43, you corrected as 43. So for taken the AB distance, the flow is taken under 43. This one is 43. So in this direction the flow is towards eastern side taken as positive, towards western side is taken as negative. So converted into meter cube per second, you are getting divided by 1000, you are getting 0.043. Diameter is, the given diameter given is 30 centimeters given, converted into meter, it is converted into 0.3 meter. Then length of the pipe given is 500 meter, you taken as 500. So find out k equal to L divided by 470. For L you substitute 500, for D you substitute the diameter 0.3 whole power 4.87. Already we simplifying that value, substitute that in the corresponding equation, you are getting the k value, that is approximately equal to 373. Then find out QA value. So Q is 0.043 whole power 1.85, you are getting 3 into 10 power minus 3. Then find out KL head loss value, K into Q into 1.85. Multiplying these two value you are getting plus 1.12. Then find out HL by QA, actual discharge, you are getting 26. So similar way you can find out the BC directional HL value. So in the BC direction also the flow is coming downward, that is taken as positive. In CD direction the flow is given as 20, the direction given in opposite directional flow taken as minus. In the DA you are taken as opposite directional force minus 35. So similarly solving this corresponding equation, you are getting the summation value is minus 2.53. You are getting the HL value in terms of negative, and modulus of HL by QA equal to 281. Substitute in the corresponding equation, KL equal to Q 1.85 L divided by 0.04 into 100 into D power 4.87, or K equal to L divided by 470 into D power 85. For loop ABCD, find out the D value. This is a D equation, already we solved. D is equal to minus SHL divided by X into SLHL divided by QA. So solving this equation, you are getting, substitute all values, that is minus already one formula you get one minus, so you are getting HL value in terms of minus 0.2.53 divided by 1.85 into 281 Qmax. For converted into liter per second, multiplying 1000, you are getting 4.86 liters per second, approximately taken as 5 liter per second. Then go for correction. The 5 liter per second comes in a positive value, hence corrected flow after first corrections AB equal to plus 45. Already 43 is given. Now you are find out plus 5, adding this you are getting 48. For BC already you are getting 23, now we are getting 5, 28. Similarly CD you are getting minus, already you are getting 20, minus 20, you are having the discharge of minus 20. Now the corrected is plus 5. So simplifying this two, you are getting minus 35, DA minus 30. Then go to the another loop, consider loop DCFE. Go through the diagram, the corresponding flow, the corresponding diameter, length, all are substituting here, and simplify to find out the HL value and find out the HL by QA value. Once again find out for loop CDEF, you find out the correction for D value, you are getting minus 7.2 liter per second. After applying correction in the corresponding pipeline, you are getting the correction flows after first correction in liter per second.